Hi, I'm Frosty, and this season's been hot and happening, so I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to a new segment, Frosty's Favorite Things. Starting with the green giant Arbor Bitey. This western red type is deer resistant, easy to maintain, and is a great backdrop behind other trees and shrubs. And my next favorite thing is the Zinnia. It's great as a bedding plant in the garden, cut flowers, a lot of color, a lot of energy. And my final favorite thing for today is Blossom Booster. This is a great time of year to add this to your hanging baskets, containers, even in the garden to get the most blooms out of the season. And meet our new favorite thing, Rip. Find your plant passion here in Town Hill or online at frostfarmsmdi.com. Thank you for watching and happy planting.